everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Peripera ASMR Cushion Foundation and the Cushion Highlighter as well. So I have both of these. I believe I paid about $8.34-ish for these a piece from Rose Shop, and I was looking to see if they still had these, and unfortunately I don't see these on their website anymore. I even tried looking on YesStyle, I couldn't find them either. So if I can still find these somewhere online, I will try to link that if I can. Sorry that I wasn't able to get my video up fast enough, but it's possible that those two websites could get them back in stock. But at the moment I don't see them, so sorry. So starting off a little bit about the product. So of course it comes in just a regular type of compact. It's one of those little bit thicker ones. Of course it comes with the little powder puff, and then of course when you open it up, this is the foundation. So this is the color Ivory. Now of course the cushion always looks a lot darker than it actually is, so don't let that color alarm you. If you're new to cushion foundations, they just always look darker than they really are. Like I said, I think I paid about $8.34-ish for each one of these, and these have 14 grams of product in them. Mine is in the color number 1 Ivory, and it also has SPF 50. So if you are familiar with Peripera's cushions at all, this is the same cushion foundation as the one that they released in the summertime of last year, which was the Doll Factory, which I of course love. This one is the little sprinkle one. So if you already have like this one and you're trying to decide if you want this one, these are actually the same exact foundation formula. It's the Airy Ink cushion. So it's the same one. Really the only difference is just the cute little cases, which for me, of course, is totally worth it because I think that these are so adorable. Even though cushion foundations, to be honest, are not my favorite foundation types, I still use them from time to time, and they are the cutest things ever, so I can justify buying them. So both of these are like a cushion foundation, but they're two different products. So of course the first one is the regular foundation, and this one, I love the packaging of these. It's so cute. You know, it's kind of like that relaxing, kind of squishy jelly, like water compact. I really like this. It's just really pretty as well. I even kind of did my makeup like this, kind of inspired by this today. But they also have another product. Now this, I thought it was going to be like one thing and it ended up being like something else, so I'll get into it in this video. But this is the pink illuminating cushion, and it's very different than what I was expecting, but it's in the same packaging. But one way you can tell these apart really quickly, that I just realized on my own, I'm sure probably everyone else already knew this, but I didn't. If you can tell the difference, this one has little pink, more like purple actually, sequins in it, whereas this one just has all silver. So I'm going to let you guys know what I think about these products and show you some application techniques and whether I'd recommend these or not. So I'm just going to start off by applying it like I always do. Okay, so this is how the foundation looks applied to half of my face. Obviously it's on this side and this is the side of my bare skin. So overall I think that this gives a pretty good amount of coverage. It's definitely not the most, but I would consider it more of like a medium kind of buildable coverage. And it goes just the tiniest bit slightly more yellow than my skin. Overall I think you can see just I feel like Dr. Evil when I did that. Overall I think you can see I have just a little bit of discoloration and, you know, a little redness peeking through. So I'm gonna try to build up that a little bit more and see if I can cover some of that. I feel like you can still see just a little bit of that color, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and finish and apply this all over my face and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, and this is how the foundation looks all over my skin. So overall, as far as the cushion foundation goes, I feel like it's very, I don't know, just very standard kind of cushion foundation for me in my opinion. I don't have any super strong opinions on this one just because I feel like a lot of cushion foundations are the same. But now I'm going to apply my concealer and finish the rest of my face and come back and let you guys know what I think about this cushion foundation. Okay, and obviously this is how my makeup looks all done. I really think Peripera, like, is way up there on the top when it comes to cute packaging. They just do such a good job. And what do I think about this cushion? Like I said, it's not my favorite cushion. I feel like my top number one has to be the Tony Moly Hot Edition one. This is the one that came out with the Fire Noodle collection, and I really, really love this one. And it's also smaller. I feel like every time I talk about cushions now, I always bring this one up, but I really love that one. Like I said, it's the same foundation as the Doll Factory one, or they also have just the regular Airy Ink cushions, just in honestly boring cases in my opinion. I just love these, so I think they're so adorable. As far as the coverage of this one, it is, I would call it a medium buildable coverage. It's not overly wet, which is another thing that I like about this one, because I have tried some in the past that leave my skin feeling very wet and sticky. Now this one is definitely one that I feel like if I had to kind of score it on how sticky it is on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the stickiest, I would give this maybe like a 4. It's definitely a good balance between being a little bit on the dewy side, but not too wet to where it feels like it's just going to get all over my face. So I haven't done this in a while, but I'm gonna do a transfer test on my cell phone and see what we get. So I'm gonna wipe off my phone real quick and show that to you so you can see, trying to show you, you know, any of the smudges on here. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hold it to my face like I'm talking on the phone and see how much of this product will transfer. So when I pull it off, if you can see, actually it's not too bad. I mean, I can definitely see there is some transfer, but definitely not bad. If I wipe it off, you can kind of see, here's the side that I wiped, here's the side with the foundation. Overall, not bad. I've definitely had some a lot worse than that. So overall, for like transfer proof, like I said, it's going to move a little bit, but not too bad. So overall, I give it a plus for that. The one thing I didn't like was whenever I was applying this, I feel like I could still see a little bit of the redness on my cheek area, kind of in here while I was applying it. I tried to like build it up just a little bit, and it did cover a little bit more, but some of that redness was still peeking through. So like I said, it's not my favorite cushion foundation, but the packaging of it is so adorable. So if the packaging really speaks to you, and even if you already have this one like I did, just the collector in me wanted it. And of course I do like cushion foundation, so I do get uses out of them. As far as the color range, as usual for a lot of Korean products, it is very non-existent in the color. Like I said, I am wearing number 1 Ivory. That's the lightest one. As far as how it goes, I feel like it's a little bit more on the slightly yellower side, but definitely not over the top. I feel like I'm definitely more of a pink tone undertone, but I can definitely make this work, and overall I feel like it didn't look too out of place on my skin. So for me, I always have to say, you know, it's just my opinion. I give this a buy because of the packaging. Now, if you're just wanting this for the cushion foundation and you couldn't care less about the actual packaging of it, it's probably not anything special. For me, it really is the packaging and the collector's kind of item to it that really makes it something valuable for me. And of course, since it was only about $8 or $9 or so, I feel like that's a really affordable price for a cushion foundation. So that is it for the cushion foundation. Now I'm going to move on to the actual pink, kind of like strobing slash highlighter. I kind of don't know exactly what this product is supposed to be, because when I first used it, I was going to apply it all over my face as like a glowy, kind of like an under a foundation kind of glow product. And let me tell you, that was a huge mistake. I tried to take a video of it, but I think I did it on my phone. So I will try to insert that clip. Hopefully you can see, but it's not the best because I was just using my phone for it. But that was a big mistake because this has so much glitter in it. I was expecting this to be a lot more similar to the like I'm Mimi, the pink strobe macaroon cushion. I actually have it over there, but I don't want to have to get up to get it. I did a whole video dedicated to those as well. Or if you have used the Wet n Wild cushions, there I have one that's called, I think it's called What About Pearl? I don't know, it's something like that. But it's like a pink kind of dewy luminous shine, but this one has glitter to it, and I put that all over my face. And when I say glitter, I don't mean just like a little speck here and there. Like, it was all over my face, and it was a lot different than what I was anticipating. So when I open it up, you can see this is the pink one, and again, it looks just like a cushion foundation. I'm going to try to pick up some of this, and if you can see, that is it on here. I'm going to put it on my hand and try to pat it in. Like I said, I tried it all over my face the first time, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so glad that it was just like a test and not like, hey, I'm actually going out and wearing this this in the world. That would have been a bit too much in my opinion. I don't know how well you can see this on my hand, but I will be doing up close so you can see better. But this is not just like a sheen or a shine. There is like actual like peach colored glitter in here. Like it is super fine glitter, but it is going to be noticeable on your face. This could be a really bad idea because I've got more videos I want to film, but I'm gonna try. So instead of just taking it and applying it straight to my face, I don't know if you can see like the glitter in that, I'm going to try to maybe tastefully apply this if I can. And then I'm going to try to apply some of this to my face. Again, I don't know if you'll be able to see this on camera really, but in person, like there is little flecks of glitter on my cheeks, which is not my favorite look. I just feel like it's a little too, I don't know, ravish or something. So just keep that in mind. If you are interested in buying this product and you think it's going to be more of like a metallic shine kind of product but no glitter, then you would be very wrong because there is definite noticeable glitter in this. And like I said, I applied this all over my face. To be honest, I feel like this type of product wasn't the best packaging for this one because like it is a cushion foundation that you would apply all over your face, this is definitely not a product I would apply all over my face at all. It's definitely it's just too out there for me. So at least just in my opinion, I feel like there could have been a different packaging choice for this, so it maybe didn't cause as much, at least confusion for me, or maybe I'm just the only idiot, but it definitely feels like, oh, this is a product you'd put all over your face when it comes in this type of packaging. But to each his own, so if you like glitter and you don't mind having that all over your face, then you'd probably like this product. Otherwise, if you are not a person that wants glitter on their face, then I would say steer clear of this product. So for me, would I buy this again, the pink highlighting cushion? Would I buy this one again knowing what I know now, just strictly functional and makeup wise? I would pass on this one and I'd have to give it a bye-bye just because I know I would never use a glitter product like this all over my face or on my cheekbones like this. I mean, glitter is really fun on my eyes, but that's pretty much the only place I like it, and just on my cheeks and on my face is not one of those places. So I guess in this video we end up with one buy and one bye-bye, but that is okay. Like I said, these are just my opinions and it really depends on what you're looking for in the makeup, what your expectation of it is, and whether you feel like you'd get use out of it or not. If you're like a makeup collector like I am, then of course I had to get it. But like I said, it is the same foundation as this one. So if you already have this one and you're not so interested in the packaging and you think maybe, oh, is it a different one? It's not. It's the same cushion foundation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.